Hey guys, today I have this Husky 6250 starting watts and 5000 running watts. It's bought it on Craigslist. It's actually brand new, only used a couple of hours. It has a 5-gallon gas tank with a gauge. Put the gas here. This one you don't have to mix it with a 50-50 oil mix, just regular unleaded gas. Exhaust silencer here. It's powered by Briggs and Stratton OHV. This can run the whole house, probably 2 houses. This is where you check the oil. It comes with oil already, 10W30. You can check the oil level here. Take a screwdriver, something, and just put it in here and check the oil level. It comes pre-filled already, so you don't need to add oil. This is the 120 volt outlet here, 2 more here, 30 amp circuit breaker. This is for the 240. Wheelbarrow style with the wheels. You gotta put on the wheel. It's very simple. Put on. If you want to start it up, you put on the gas here. Just put it like this. This is off, on. You can put it on run or half. You put on this on button there, and you pull on here. Take it off, you just press this here, and that's it. Thanks for watching.